Hi, welcome in this new video. I'm glad you joined me to see how this little micro Jagdpanther, Panther is built. Uh, I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how this one is built. I want to, before starting that video, I want to give credits to Xpasa. I'm butchering the name for sure, but that's the person who came up with this one. I saw it on their Instagram page and I loved it. It was on all light bluish gray, and I really wanted to have one, but I preferred it in an ambush camo like this one, and therefore I did a little recoloring on it. Made sure that every part in it is available for everyone. Yeah, the exhausts are a little touch I saw from Teufel bricks, so that's a little modification on it, and those hands could be hard to get if you just want to buy them, but maybe you have a minifig with reddish brown hands lying around, or 10 would work perfect, or dark 10 would work too. Let's be honest, that would work too. Yeah, I like these colors. I like the way the colors flow to make it look decent ambush camouflage. I hope you like it too. If you don't, use my video just to make yours started, and perhaps you can use totally different colors if you like. Just go for it, be creative. Maybe use a total different camouflage scheme if you like it. Hey, just use my videos to start become creative. That's what I always like to see. Before I start I will with the building steps, I will show you a list of parts you need for this build, so you can pause and search from them or note them or whatever. Just make sure you have them before starting the steps to see how it is done. And yeah, I just want to ask you, if you are going to build this little micro tank or tank destroyer actually, I would love to see the end result. So if you're going to build this one or any other of my tutorials, please post them on your Instagram. Tag me Cbricks Tutorials on your Instagram post so I can see it, and I will reshare them. And I just love to see when people use my videos to actually build the models I showed them. So without further ado, I show you the parts needed and then right to the steps. So that's it for this build. I hope you liked and enjoyed it, the steps, and I think they were easy enough. It's not that difficult of a model. If you want to see more of Xpasa, the designer of this tank, check the description. I will make a link to the Instagram profile. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give me a comment. I always like that, and I always try to react to every single one of them. And of course, hey, subscribe for more videos. Hey, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.